All right, in Burlington, look at all these new beddings. Okay, there's a lot of Ed Hardy, but these Ed Hardys, they're the pillow satin, so they're $5.99. You get two though. They have the in black and kind of like this deep maroon, and it has like that lion face. They're all the same. A lot of Valentine stuff, $18.99. Betsey Johnson, $20 if you want to get festive. Look at the little twin one. Queen, $25, Ed Hardy satin, and they also have it in the black as well. The fun pillow, they used to have this in Costco and Sam's Club, but they don't anymore. These are $15. They're like dismembered. They're pretty flat though. Even though it looks like they've been sitting out for quite a bit, they didn't expand. Just a Couture comforter set is $45. Those are the little lippy ones. But a lot of love stuff. This set is $15.99. Just like black, pink with like roses, like a floral pattern. It doesn't say love or anything. It's just like that pattern look. $20. Then $17. It says juicy on it with the lips. Gotta get the lips on. Here's Ed Hardy. Another one. That's a queen though, and that is a $20. Maybe we could find king. Here we go. King is $21.99. I want to say for king sheets, Burlington seems to be kind of the cheapest, and I know they're expensive. $22. This is by London Fog, all in white. If you want a white one, Kenneth Cole. These are queens. These are $20. Let's see. There's patterns here. Let me move this one around a little bit. $22 for this king. So I feel like they're kind of scattered. You got an all pink one. It's actually kind of just simple and cute for $20. This is an all plain basic one, which is cute. More king in the gray by Wendy for $22. Wendy has good comforters here too if you could find a really good matching one. $21. Jessica, $22. And then $22. Okay. They're $15.99. They also have some fun patterns like for children. You can find like Winnie the Pooh. You scared me. I just saw some guy's shadow and I'm like, I'm trying to look. $15.99. I punch ya. Here we go. $20 on this queen one. That's cute. And that's a cute one. London Fog King for $21. And then I think this is an organizer. Oh yeah, it's a cube. Just kind of found this randomly in the bedding department. They have quite a bit. They find little stores. Winnie the Pooh and Spidey and Friends. Okay, these are all queen over here. There's another Ed Hardy. Is $18.79. We have twin. See, you can find Bluey here, $15.99. Okay, blankets. Let's see, $17. Got the cat one. A waffle and bread. And doggies. This is $23. This is by Martha. There's a lot of cute quilts right now in Ross, so don't forget. $29.99. And then Aristocats here. Hello Kitty. These are $23. Some more Martha in the house for $27. Let me show you this one. That's $29.99. $35. And then this one right here is $29.99. Check out these large containers. These are kind of cute. These are $8 for the large one. Glass containers with silicone sleeves. These are cute too. Kind of remind me of Bikini Bottom. It does. Because that they have, yeah, $8. Let me see this one. They're just glass containers, yep. Many options to choose from. More food storages. Have a little bento lunchbox. These are $4.50 if you need something for school. Oh, here's a butterfly. Butterfly silicone snack. I mean, I know it could be really hard to bring your own lunch, you know what I mean? But I think that's why we need to make it fun. So like, ooh, I got butterfly containers, or I got flowers, you know what I mean? Even for children, because I've actually been doing pretty good at not buying lunch. Doing really good. Okay, Spider-Man. The bling, I have not seen a blinged out one, but that's 20. Then we got this Juicy Couture one. Looks like Minecraft. A lot of Spider-Man. Hello Kitty. Oh wow. Here's an Ed Hardy. I've never seen Ed Hardy. These are 17. Oh, that one's missing the silicone. Hello Kitty. These are 8. These are 15. I feel like they're all 15. Yep. Cute Snoopy one. So blinged out one right here. That's $12.99. Yeah, I never seen Spider-Man. That's just crazy. If you're needing a wall clock for any home decor, there's plenty here. Plenty of wall clocks. Let's see, this one's 20 and 25. 25 for this wooden one. I feel like I've seen this one because it reminded me of those ones, a little game where you put the marble in and they follow the maze. But we have some pretty decent large wall art. If you can't find it in Ross, if you're very into this type of decor, come to the Burlington. 25. We walk down here's where they have more art, but I feel like we're gonna see a lot of Disney. Yeah. See, these are always here. Disney, and then they have plenty of Hello Kitty. Oh, there's a basketball for $12.99. We've seen these. These are really cool looking. And I believe that's $35. $10 here. 15. These are quite nice. Where's the price? Oh, see how much it is? We turn it upside down. $33. 33. If you're into that. Let me go down. Home decor. A lot of greenery. A lot of globes. Yeah, everywhere I go, even at Ross, lots of globes. $7 if you want a thing of oranges. These are 10. More globes. Yep, elephant. But like, see, nothing but elephants. I noticed Burlington, that's their trend on elephant decor. These are $8.99. These are interesting, right? And there's one more. Let me move her over here. You belong over here in the middle. They go together. Look at this elephant. Yeah. Yeah, more elephant. Yeah.
Neat. I never seen one with a baby.
There's always a reason to be thankful. Yes. They're $8.99. They're $10.99. The mini glasses. 4. I haven't seen the mini ones. $7. These are $10. Oh look, they have it in silver. Turtles. $50 for this ottoman. Oh, here are these little shelves. These are $35. That one's cute. Then they have this pink one with like the little bows in the corner for $35. And 20 here. This is cute. I like it. Not as much Easter in this location, but this one's 17. We have a lot of bunnies with those sprinkles 2 types to choose from. They're $5. Bunny on a bike, we've seen him. The bunny on the scooter, I don't think we've seen her. We haven't seen you. 10. Bunny kisses. This one's cute. For 10. That's a cute one. And that's $15.99. And then 7. I know a lot of people like that one. Oh look, they have a heart in the back. And a BB clock. Is that all they have for Easter? Yeah. Oh, look at that Dragon Ball travel case. Yeah, there's tons of Hello Kitty. Let me show you. She's 22. Tons of Hello Kitty. Yeah, I mean, there's the same Hello Kitty wall art we could find. Let's see. Green. Look at the owl. 15 for the owl. Then we have the birds. The birds are 15. I like this frog. They're just all lightweight. They're not heavy. I would like heavy and real tile. 17. Oh, and this little guy right here. Let's see. It's nothing. I could pick it up with one hand. 20. Oh, look, they're best friends. Best friends forever. I kind of like that. That is $12.99. $12.99 for welcome. Then this guy's 17. See them? They're best friends. Okay, that's kind of cool in an odd way. $15.99. Yeah, and there's like this one in the back. That's cute. Welcome. I'm not too sure if this all comes together. Oh, it does. $80. These are 80. It's a purple one too in the back, so same price. Those are 15 on the yellow, and even the pink are 15. The mermaids and 23. See these big bowls right here. These are 10. They do have plenty of cute baskets though. Some look like they're building some. The Bluey, how much are you Bluey compared to Walmart? 20. I feel like that might be the same price. I think these are $5.99. Yes, Five Below. We have Stitch, $12.99. The chick one, but if you want really nice ones, Home Goods has really cute ones. Like so cute. I just shared them in a previous video. Look at all these pillows here. You got Bingo, you got Bluey, you have Stitch Love for $25. Well, you get 2. I was like, 25. Oh my god. Paw Patrol 7. Look how cute. They're bunnies. Chase, right? Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in Burlington. Look at all this cute stuff. 15 play mat for babies. Plenty of blankets and cute little robes for them. Oh my god, look at that Snoopy. That's adorable. Alright, you guys, please stay safe out there, and I will see all of you in the next one. These come with slippers. Yeah, the bathrobes are so stinking cute. Oh my gosh. Get me out of here. Anything else cute in here? The baby department's like cute. I mean, baby showers, people having babies, getting married. Spring babies. These have really good diaper bags. I used to film them a lot in Burlington. Right now it's a lot of guests. But they used to have really nice Steve Madden and Betsey Johnson ones. Haven't seen those in a while. But Burlington and Phoenix, if you're looking for Burlington for baby stuff, you gotta go to the Burlington in Phoenix. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.